Yan. Pro 4X. 4-wheel drive to, sir?
4-wheel drive din.
Wow. Hindi nagkukulang ang Nissan North Edsa. Nice. Let me check. Bagong-bago pa talaga. Nice.
So 10-way power seated din po siya and the blend stitching.
Okay. Nice. So just to adjust a bit. Before anything else, gusto ko lang sana magpasalamat sa Nissan North Edsa. Una kay Miss Ria Hermoso, Nissan Marketing Professional. Pangalawa sa Group Retail Manager na si Sir Conrad M. Tan. And last but not the least, ang meme genius ng Nissan North Edsa na si Sir Sandy Santos. Thank you so much, and I highly recommend yung Nissan North Edsa for really providing all of the units. Tapos yung mga display units nila doon, each and every single model is actually there. So let's head on to the video. Tapos pinagkaiba na to, obviously yung logo. Yan, black and orange yung logo niya pala, guys. Yan. Yan. Thank you, sir. Whew. Okay. So ito, exclusive lang siya sa Terra. Itong
the intelligent rear view camera, so yes, exclusive. Ito, wala tayong equip na intelligent rear view camera.
But who am I to complain? Kasi ayos naman yung yung rear visibility. So yan. Yan. So I think we're good to go naman. Okay, so kampaan lang tayo since super brand new nga pala ang ating Nissan Navara. Right, ito yung Pro 4X, in which obviously this is really standard. Oh. Okay, so interesting. Full zone climate control natin. So sir, I'll give you the reins.
Ayan. For the Nissan Navara, sir, Calibre X, Pro 4X, and TL variants, we had 9 inches infotainment and same like with the Terra, right. And also the offline navigation map.
Apple CarPlay, Android Auto.
Yes, wireless na din, sir.
Ito ay
hand lever.
Hand lever. Tapos into reverse, lagyan lang natin dyan. Yan. Obviously standard na to when you're coming out of meron rin tong rear cross traffic rin.
Yes sir. Equipped din siya ng rear cross traffic.
Okay. So let's go. Low fuel. So dito lang naman tayo sa compound. So yeah. Just like the same bells and whistles ng Nissan Terra. Yeah. Now, as far as I know, turn left?
Turn left.
Okay. Right. Tapos, pansin ko sa Navara, parang sa lahat ng competition, maiksi yung bed.
Yung bed.
Maiksi yung bed. But, it's not matagtag.
Yes, right. That's because of the suspension as well. The 5-month suspension and dual rate coil spring. Yeah, so, with Terra kasi is coil spring, but in Navara, sir, is a dual rate coil spring.
Double rate coil spring. Tapos, yung, pinagmamalagyan na nito yung ladder frame.
A ladder frame, yes.
Ano naman yung RPM? Baksak. Baksak agad eh. Kaya pala lang sport mode to. Yung paa yung sport mode. Yes. Tapos auto dimming rear view mirror. Ito, tama ba?
Yes sir.
Auto dimming. Okay. I think you go left.
Yes. U-turn ka lang sir.
U-turn ka lang.
Apo.
Okay. Okay, pwede naman tayo mag-turning radius. So,
dyan yung masusubukan yung turning radius natin. Ni Navara.
And that's locked. Hindi ako marunong magsukat ng turning radius. So, yeah. Tapos power steering na naman to, obviously.
Power steering.
Tapos, since ito yung bells and whistles, automatic na yung headlights and yung natin, oil wipers. 190 PS and 450 Newton meters of torque. Yep. Same as goes by. Kasi dito nga naman talaga galing yung makina ng Terra. Let's get it right. So, uy, may patrol. Yun nga pala yung lots nila. Okay, so. Tapos, ito ay ilang speakers na? 6?
6 sir.
Okay, 6. Yes. So, I think U-turn ba ako? Or...
isa ka pa sir. Isang ikot.
Pwede naman.
Sa diretso lang tayo sir, then turn left lang. Then reverse naman tayo. So, then as you can see sir, same siya ng dashboard with Terra. Then yung upgrade sir.
Yes. Ito lang naman, syempre yung Nissan,
Red Lava accent. Ayan. For the proper X and Calibre X.
Okay. Yan, sampo. Nice. I think dito natin matitesting syempre yung pagiging helpful ng isang 360 camera at yung rear cross traffic alert. Right. Ang sinasabi namin rear cross traffic alert guys, sabihin natin may magmamando pa sa'yo, ito hindi na. So yan, yun lang naman. And syempre go. Tapos yung guided lines nga pala sumusunod din as I change the steering wheel, change yung angle na steering wheel.
Yes, it's called curse line yung tawag sa kanya.
Bigyan ko lang ng a little bit acceleration. Diba konti lang. Alam kong malakas na eh. Nice. Tapos ito sir ay 7-speed eh?
7-speed automatic.
Okay, I think that's the standard naman for a mid-size SUV. Right. Tapos yung bed natin sa likod, yung pintuan ba nun ay power assisted?
Yes sir, power seat or meron torsion beam na tinatawag sir to lightweight the tailgate sir.
Torsion beam assisted pala siya. Okay, may ultimo bata kaya buhatin.
Yes.
Yan ang party piece. Yan. Actually nagiging useful na siya nowadays kasi sabihin natin ano na lang, ayan, kung may lesson naman, it assists you. Tapos kung sa mga mahihilig naman sa mga blackout claims, this is the pickup for you, Pro 4X. Yan. Tapos, and syempre, how much is this one? Pro 4X?
180.
180. Talaga? Ito na yung top of the line eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Proper X kasi sir is a Hilo variant. So the top of the line of the Navara sir is the VL variant.
VL variant. Yeah. Okay. So, right na, it's actually cheap.
Yes.
Tapos ito, on the 4-wheel drive nga pala. Ayan. 4-wheel drive. Tapos yung diff lock is on here. Tapos hill descent. Okay, nice. Yun yung hill descent. Pagka sabihin natin galing ka sa bundok, then it will assist you. Hindi mo na kailangan ng brakes to fit up with the speed. Okay, now it's time to go back. I enjoyed naman. So, yeah, really useful. Yeah. Okay, so huge shout out once again sa Nissan North EDSA. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So, yeah, for the employees out here, thank you very much. So, ayun, brakes, and handbrake. Yun lang. Thank you very much.